Why does it seem like all major land masses on Earth have a peninsular formation pointing south? Pangea was trying to tell us something, unless this is just a coincidence.
Some major landmasses and peninsulas like South America, Africa, the Indian subcontinent, Greenland, Florida, and Italy do appear to taper or point down towards the south, and this is sometimes referred to as continental drift. So what's going on? Keep in mind, we're on rocky territory. For several of these landmasses, an important part of their geological history can be traced back to the breakup of the southern supercontinent Gondwana, which was a process that began around 200 million years ago when the supercontinent Pangaea and later Gondwana in the south began to split apart. However, there is no single geological process that has made continents point south. Tectonic stresses often fracture massive landmasses outward from central points, which creates a wedge-like or triangle-shaped piece. And as these large continental fragments, like South America, Africa, and India, broke off, they drifted predominantly northward over millions of years, leaving their trailing, narrower edges pointing down towards the south. So geologists are clear on this, that there are no major physical forces like magnetism or Earth's rotation that are pulling land into south-pointing triangles. And in fact, since tectonic plates are constantly moving, these specific shapes are temporary snapshots in Earth's history. In the past and hundreds of millions of years in the future, continents looked and will look completely different. Also, many common world maps visually exaggerate or distort the shapes and sizes of landmasses as they stretch towards the poles, which makes southern tips appear more pointed than they really are. And of course, not all landmasses follow this pattern. If you look at Australia's peninsula, it points north, and many regional exceptions also exist globally. Hope that explanation rocked your world. Keep asking questions and never stop learning.